Want to code with Grok 4.5 directly inside Cursor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable it, use it for coding, and get the best results in a few minutes. Introduction. Grok 4.5 is one of the latest AI coding models available in Cursor. It can generate code, explain complex logic, fix bugs, and help you write software faster. In this guide, I'll walk you through the setup process and show you the most useful features. Step 1. Update Cursor. First, make sure you are running the latest version of Cursor. Open Cursor and then install any available updates. New AI models like Grok 4.5 are often added in the latest releases, so using an outdated version may prevent you from seeing it. Step 2. Sign in and choose your plan. Next, sign in into your Cursor account. Keep in mind that access to Grok 4.5 depends on your Cursor subscription and model availability. If you do not see the model, you may need a Pro or higher plan, or it may still be rolling out to your account. Step 3. Select Grok 4.5. Open the AI chat or composer inside Cursor. Click the model selector at the top of the chat window and choose Grok 4.5 if it is available. Once selected, every AI request in that chat will use Grok 4.5. If you do not see it listed, update Cursor, restart the app, or check your subscription. Step 4. Start coding. Now you are ready to use Grok 4.5. You can ask it to generate functions or entire files, explain unfamiliar code, debug errors and suggest fixes, refactor code to improve readability, write tests, build new features from simple prompts, and for the best results, give it clear instructions. Instead of saying build a login page, try using this prompt. Create a responsive React login page using TypeScript and Tailwind CSS with email validation and dark mode. The more context you provide, the better the output. You can also highlight existing code and ask Grok 4.5 to explain, improve, or optimize only that section. Tips for better results. Here are a few quick tips. Be specific with your prompts. Mention the programming language and framework. Break large projects into smaller tasks. Review AI generated code before deploying it. Use follow-up prompts to refine the results instead of starting over. Conclusion. That's how to use Grok 4.5 in Cursor. Once it's enabled, it becomes a powerful coding assistant for writing code, fixing bugs, and speeding up development. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other AI and Cursor tutorials. Thanks for watching and goodbye.